Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see use Azure Powershell to create Azure DNS zone and the record. So in this video we'll create a public DNS zone. Let me just correct it. Okay, so now I've corrected it. We'll see how to use Azure Powershell to create Azure public DNS zone and record. So you know what is a public zone, and you have seen how we created it using the portal. In this video we create the DNS zone and a record using Azure PowerShell. We'll also do this from Azure CLI as well. So once again, Azure DNS zone is used to host the DNS records for a particular domain. And to start hosting your domain in Azure DNS, we need to create a DNS zone for that domain name, right? So let me quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I have launched Azure PowerShell ISE as well, so I do login Azure RM account. I will log into the portal as well, but I'm just connecting it through PowerShell as well, because we'll use PowerShell commands to log on. I'll get the logon screen and then I'll enter my username and password. And to save us some time, I'm logging on to portal as well. Okay. Let's see where I am at. Let me do it again. No. Let me use PowerShell. Let's see how it works. Okay. RM account. Okay. This worked well. I'm going to enter my username. I will enter my password. Okay. It looks like it is working. Great. Now I will create a new resource group. Okay, so it would be new. AZ resource group. This is, so you type in this, then use this, right? So if you see this, then it is new AZ resource group. Now I will enter the name. The name would be, my resource group. And one more parameter that we use is location. I'm going to go with East US. Okay, it says import module resources. Okay, so it says that I've installed AZ and Azure RM modules as well. So to overcome this, I'm going to use Azure Cloud Shell, right? So if you face this error, you can use Cloud Shell as well. Okay. So if I'll close it and launch this, so it is creating the new storage account to hold all the commands under the context which these will run. Okay, I'm going to select PowerShell. Here it is. It is again requesting a Cloud Shell. Okay, finally. So I will do new AZ resource group, new AZ resource group minus name would be my resource group, location would be East US. It is created. Now we'll create a DNS zone. It would be new AZ DNS zone minus dash name would be Azure.xyz, and the resource group name is my resource group. Right, click on here, hit enter. It is done. Right, now if you would go to all resources and you just drag it down, it should be there. Public DNS zone, Azure.xyz in the my resource group. Okay, and now if you want to create a record, then what you would do is, let me open up another window. Alright, in here you would do new AZ DNS record set dash name www, and the record type would be a record, and the zone name is Azure.xyz. The resource group name is my resource group, and the TTL, you can define those parameters there as well. Alright, now if you would go onto the screen, click on here. Here is your zone and here is your record. Alright, so this is your www record with the defined TTL. So this is how you create the public DNS zone and a record using PowerShell in Azure. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and you can have these commands on the Microsoft documentation and for the public DNS zone. And if you still have any queries, please mention them in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.